2022. It's all about going the extra mile, family. This morning I was at the house. Now where I'm at. It's all about going that extra mile. What are you willing to do? Let's just be honest now. What are you willing to do? Most people been complaining. This year you got to make something happen. There's no more time for that. I don't know if you know or not, but we don't know how long we got. And everybody got a dream. Everybody got a vision. And once you have that vision and that dream, then you have to do something about it. You have to actually put forth some initiative and make some things happen. That's how you live to be remembered. That's how you get your hog on, family. And that's my goal, is to lead by example. There's no reason to talk about it. There's no reason to worry about who's supporting you, because when it's all said and done, those who are going to support you, those who are going to be a part of your team, they looking for you too, and they watching you. And when it's all said and done, y'all going to get y'all hog on together. Y'all going to start y'all movement together. Just keep doing what you're doing. Don't focus on what's going on around you, family. Just focus on what you can control. And that's your efforts, that's your work ethics, and that's your audacity to believe you can do anything once you put your mind to it. Hold on.